Hi guys, welcome to a new video. And this is a hiking video, not a car video. We are hiking in the Cotswolds. We've just left Winchcombe, which is right in front of us. I'll show you a few pictures of that. We are heading to Bourton on the water. We got a campsite booked. It's going to be about 13 miles today. We've got Freddy with us. Tiffany's holding him up there. He's been quite a handful this morning. It's about 11:30. We're just walking up the hill here just out of Winchcombe, and we're heading towards Bourton on the water and see how the day goes. The weather's kind of overcast a little bit, but it's nice and cool. Sun's poking through every now and then. We've had some great views so far. We're only about half a mile in, maybe three quarters of a mile in. Yeah, so it's a really nice day. We're gonna keep trucking along. Hope you guys can stick around and watch the video. Got the tent with us, full backpack, and Freddy Mac, his first hike. So we'll see how he does, and we'll see how we get on. We're just walking down this country lane. Got to take a detour because we came into a field with cows and calves, and Freddy's a little bit wound up by the animals, so we took a little detour. So we're just walking down this country lane, and we'll meet back up with the path shortly. Freddy's dealing with it. We're dealing with it, but it's okay. I don't know how many miles we're in, but I assume it's probably only 2. Got a car coming now, so we'll exit. All right, everyone, we're just coming up the path here. Another climb up. We just had lunch, sandwich, basic stuff. It's about 2 o'clock, and we're just walking up this hill. It looks like we're at the top now, and then we're gonna drop back down. Freddy's pulling us up the hill, which is good. He's doing well. He's enjoying himself. And yeah, we're gonna drop back down, I imagine, here, and then head down into the valley. Keep heading towards Bourton on the water. All right, just found us a water spot for Freddy to have a little bit of a drink. He's excited, obviously. Have a little bit of a splash. How's that, Freddy? Boy, drags Tiffany in. Oh, and a wee in the water. Well, he has been drinking a lot, so that's something we kind of expected.
Yeah, drink upstream, Freddy, not downstream.
Yeah, that makes sense. Alright guys, we've just come to a stop here next to the Windrush River. Freddy's taking a break. Tiffany's relaxing. We got the river running right next to us. Freddy's been in it a bunch of times. Just sitting on the bank of this this field next to the river. That's where we've got to go through that fence over there. So we've got about another 4 miles to go roughly. And then we'll be back to the campsite, or to the campsite, not back to it, because it's the first time we visited. So yeah, it's really nice. Okay guys, we just finished walking through Cold Ashton. Had a nice pub that was banging busy. Unfortunately, we can't stop. So we're heading to the campsite now. We're just on the road to the campsite. I think we've done about 15 miles. I think we're about ready to get there. I'm still getting dragged a little bit by Freddy Mac, but we're getting to the campsite and set up the tent. Take a shower, clean ourselves up, make some food, and then call it a night and go to bed. That's it for day one, roughly. And I'll see you tomorrow on day two of our little walk, getting back to Winchcombe. All right, see you tomorrow. All right, good morning, everyone. We are walking out of the campsite. We're heading back to Winchcombe this morning. It's about 10 a.m. Path a little overgrown in this part here. So we're got about 13 miles today to do. Slept well, good campsite, nice and clean. Social distancing in place, so that was good. Freddy slept well through the night. A little bit rambunctious this morning. Hoping he'll settle down throughout the day. Very overgrown here, isn't it? I don't think this path is used much. Hopefully there's no stinging metal below my feet, and I'm gonna have itchy legs. Have to keep an eye on that. So yeah, it's a really nice day. The weather looks good. We're hoping to stop somewhere for breakfast because we haven't had any coffee and I'm grumpy. So be nice. Just got fields all around us, which is really pretty. And that's the farm where we just came from over there. Yeah, so we're just heading out now. So we'll continue on this path and show you what's going on throughout the day. Hi guys, just walking through this, well actually we're walking on top of an old railway and doing pretty well. You see the weather's beautiful, sunny. We're just about halfway now, I think, roughly about halfway for today's walk. And then we got just a little bit more to go to get into Winchcombe. We're looking for a place for lunch, but I don't think we're gonna get any luck. I think there's one village up ahead that has a place to eat, but I don't know if it's going to be open or whatnot, so it's kind of a hit or miss. But anyway, we're going to keep walking on this railway. I think we're going to be on this railway for about a mile, and then we drop down to a road, cross over that, and into some fields. So that's what we're looking at so far today. It's pretty much mostly fields today. A few little sections of woods, which was nice, and a couple little small-time hamlets we passed through. One with a huge property, loads of open ground and a big manor house. It's really nice. We sat there, took a break there, and then I haven't been doing much filming because I was dealing with the dog. So we're just kind of dealing with that. First time hiking, so everything new is an uproar. Sheep, horses. He had a little go-in with another dog briefly just a minute ago. Dog was off the lead, and just see Freddy just loves to get on everything. Anyway, I think we're crossing over a bridge here, it looks like, with a big barrier in front of it. Oh, it looks like we're gonna cross over. This should be interesting, Tiffany. We gotta get over this barrier.
Yeah.
Cool. All right, well, let's get over the barrier then. All right, we're just coming off top of the hill here. We're heading down into Rockhampton. This is where I mentioned they might be a pub or cafe maybe, where we can get some grub or a drink at least. So we're just heading down there now. We took a little break back there, sat down on the fence, up against the fence, which was nice. So yeah, the village is just down there. You can see a couple of buildings over there in the distance. So we're gonna drop down there now and see if we can find something to eat. It's about 2 o'clock. We're just over halfway, so feeling pretty good. It's just fields around us, really. Not much, a couple houses here and there. They say that's up over the top of the fields, but yeah. Just keep dropping down now up against this stone wall. Get into the village. See what's in there. All right, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, we're at mile marker 23. We've got 2 miles to go. We just sat down and had a break just there. We had an hour break at the pub there in that village. Had a pub lunch, I had a pint. Freddy got to meet a few people. And we set up from there, and then we're just basically following this little path here for the last couple miles. We got 2 more miles to go. Then we're in Winchcombe. Chances are we're probably gonna have another stop. Take a little break. Got some aches and pains coming from us because, you know, we haven't done any really hiking since last year. So putting the weight on your shoulders really makes you sore. So I've got a little bit of knee pain, nothing crazy at all. And Tiffany's got a little bit of a knee ache too. So we'll get through that, we'll be fine. And then we'll get back to the car and head home. So really been a real beautiful day weather-wise, and the sights and of the rolling hills of the Cotswolds, really pretty. Nice little country villages and pubs, it's really nice. So we'll keep trucking along here and come to an end the next few miles. All right, see you in a bit. We're just walking through some fields here, and we've come across a castle. That should be Sudley Castle. In the distance there, we're getting close to it. Not sure if we walk anywhere near it, but it's just in a field that we're walking across. Tiffany just pointed it out to me. It's pretty cool, looks really nice. Yeah, that's the views around us right now. Sorry for the wobbly camera. Got some flies all around me, but yeah. Just want to point that out. The castle's pretty cool. All right, let's keep on walking. All right, guys, we're just about into Winchcombe now. Got about, I don't know, a couple 0.3 of a mile, yeah, till we head into the car. So it's been a great walk, kind of taxiing with Freddy, but dealing with all the sheep and the different animals, and still training him. So he's hopefully he'll get better as time goes on, and we'll get to the car and rest our feet because we're quite tired. It's been a long 2 days of walking, so. It's been really good though, enjoyed it. I think Tiffany, you enjoyed it, didn't you?
I did.
Yeah, good.
Not quite trail fit yet.
No, we're both not trail fit, no, quite sore feet. So, all right guys, well, I appreciate it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. You know, like I said, if you want to stay tuned for more videos, I don't know about more hiking videos because the way the season's going, I think this is pretty much our only hiking trail we might do this year. So, might be some more later, a whim kind of thing, nothing planned. But anyway, thanks for watching, and appreciate it. Take care.